Ready to unleash your podcast onto millions of ears with a single click? Let's get your Buzzsprout podcast automatically published to Spotify so your amazing content gets the exposure it deserves first. Log into your Buzzsprout account if you already have a podcast. You can skip this step if you would like to start your podcast. Sign up for a free trial so you can explore Buzzsprout's amazing features. Navigate to the Distribution tab, which is usually found in the navigation menu within your Buzzsprout dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Spotify option, click the Connect button. This will usually prompt you to authorize Buzzsprout to access your Spotify account. You'll then be asked to log into your Spotify account if you aren't already. Give permission to Buzzsprout by clicking Agree or Authorize. Depending on the wording, be sure that you have already created your podcast. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message. This means future episodes will automatically be sent to Spotify. Finally, ensure that each new episode you upload is marked as published. Buzzsprout will then handle the rest, sending your podcast to millions of listeners. And that's it. You've successfully automated your podcast distribution, expanding your reach and engagement. Now, go forth and create some amazing content.